Now the last type construction, which is constructing special quadrilaterals, special cases, special type of quadrilaterals. So particularly the square is a special type of quadrilateral, a rhombus a special type of quadrilateral, parallelogram, a rectangle, all are special types of quadrilaterals. So we can construct these with the minimum sufficient number of informations. To construct a quadrilateral, a unique quadrilateral, we need 5 measurements. But in the case of these special quadrilaterals, the information is going to be 1 or 2. But since this being a special quadrilateral, we can have the sufficient number of measurements with the given 1 or 2 informations, 1 or 2 measurements. So that is the case. So we can have 1 or 2 examples. Consider the case, say first case, the case of a square. Suppose we want to construct a square of side 5 centimeters. Given measurement is only this 5. Only one measurement. But we can have the sufficient measurements. The square will have all the sides equal, all 4 sides same measurement. All 4 angles 90 degrees. So sufficient, information sufficient, lot of informations. So we can construct this. So a rough diagram of the square will be like this. 5, 5, 5, 5, angle 90, and all 4 angles 90 degrees. So suppose this is ABCD. Then we can construct easily, very easily. Suppose first we draw the side AB with a ruler. With AB 5 centimeter. Then we can construct this AD. AD, making this angle 90 and this distance 5. Then making this angle 90, we can draw a line here. This angle 90, we can draw a line here. And if we use a compass, it's easy, very easy. So take distance 5 centimeter in the compass and mark an arrow here, an arc here. Same distance 5 here. So join this, we get the C also. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So construction completed. So write all the steps here. In all the cases here, we need not write. We can save time. But you should practice by writing the steps also. Remember to write all the steps specifically. So this is the case. And suppose consider another one. So suppose we construct a rhombus. A rhombus is such that all 4 sides equal and opposite angles also equal. The square is a particular type of rhombus. Generally, rhombus is a quadrilateral having all 4 sides equal. Therefore, opposite angles also equal. So that rhombus is such a figure. This is such a figure. It is a rhombus. So A, B, C, D. These 2 angles equal. These 2 angles equal. Opposite angles equal. All 4 sides equal. This AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All 4 sides equal. Therefore, to construct such a rhombus, the minimum requirement is give one side length, which will be the length of all sides and one angle. So suppose one side. So this is rhombus. One side, say 5 centimeter, and suppose one angle, say 60 centimeters, 60 degrees, one angle 60 degrees. And since this is 60 degrees and this angle is also therefore 60 degrees. Then these two angles are also equal. The total angle in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So 60 plus 60, 120. Then remaining 360 minus 120. So which is 240. So 120 degrees. So this angle is 120. 120. We can easily construct this. Draw this AB. So draw this AB. Then this BC making 60 degrees. BC. This AB, BC. This is 60 degrees. And this length, say 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Then using compass, take 5 centimeter arc here also. So join these. It's very easy. Thus we can construct the rhombus. In a similar fashion, these special figures, special quadrilaterals can be constructed very easily. So these are all the various types of constructions, and more constructions can be seen when we discuss the exercise. Okay.